Hello everyone, in this week's video I'm going to be showing how to draw a sitting chair pose. So let's get started. I start with drawing the head. I draw a circle. Next I draw a line showing where the middle of the face is and another line under the circle. Then I draw the jaw. Then I draw two lines for the neck. I draw a line for the center of the torso. The torso is equal to 2 heads in length. I draw a line at the bottom and a line across the center to help me place things like the waist. I draw slanting lines by the neck for the shoulders. Next I draw the torso. It goes in at the middle and then gets wider at the hips. I'm planning where I want the knees to go. The thighs are slightly coming towards us. This causes foreshortening, so the knees and lower legs overlap the thighs. I draw circles for the knees and oval shapes for the thighs. Now for the lower legs. They should be around a head and a half in length. It goes out by the calf and gets thinner towards the ankle. Make sure to have this line go over the thigh. This will help make it look like the lower leg is overlapping in front of the thigh. Next I draw the shape of the feet. I draw a circle for the shoulder. I draw the upper arm. The elbow goes by the waist. The forearm is going to be resting on the thigh. It overlaps in front of the upper arm since it's slightly coming towards us. I draw the general shape of the hand. I'll add more detail later. A lot of the right arm is obscured by the torso. I draw a bit of the hand peeking out from behind the torso. I lighten my sketch with an eraser. I'm going to make my lines darker with a mechanical pencil. Now I add more detail to the hand. Sorry my hand gets a little in the way. I add little lines for the knees. Next, we'll give her some clothes. Before I end this video, I just wanted to mention that if you're watching this the day it's released and it's not April 1st yet, you are still able to become a patron on Patreon and you'll get this month's exclusive wallpaper and video. So if you're interested in getting those, you'll have to become a patron really soon. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know in case you want to get those. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful and that you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week in my next video. Bye!